Good day traders, welcome again to the Forex Ball Trading Academy. In today's video analysis, we will be looking at the pound Swiss franc currency pair and the potential price action. We had it recently where we expected the bullish trend, although there was some consolidation, there was some uncertainty, but now I think that things are more clear and we will dive into the price action in just a second. But before that, I would like to remind you that information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell before we start. So what we have on the pound Swiss franc is the clear consolidation phase. This is the daily time frame. It can be seen on the top left right corner on the MT4 platform, and as I said, this is a consolidation. Although currently price starting to look bullish, this is because recently we had the rejection of this key support area. First off, there is an average price downtrend trend line. I have connected this support and this resistance after the support got broken, and we see that it got rejected back in September, after which price went up, tested the resistance area and declined. So on this decline, there was the break below the 50 simple moving average as well as the uptrend trend line. But to confirm the bearish scenario, price would need to break below the key support, which didn't happen. In fact, it rejected it. After the rejection, a fast corrective move up followed. Price quickly returned back above the uptrend trend line and broke yet again 50 simple moving average. So now moving average is acting as the support, and we can see on the daily time frame there was a close above the previously made high. So the confirmation of the breakout of the downtrend trend line is there. The breakout is confirmed, which means that this moving average is now likely to provide the support, and potentially along with the uptrend trend line, which should act as a support once again. And this might result in quite a heavy uptrend. What we can see is the resistance is 518 pips away from the current level. The resistance is confirmed by two fibs. First, I have used the fibs to apply to this corrective move up prior to the massive decline, and we have 50% retracement at 124.91. There is another fibs applied to this last wave down, and we have 61.8 fibs. So this area between 124.69 and 124.91 seems like a potential upside target or the next key resistance level. Another thing is the rejection of the 23.6 fibs, which we can see right there occurred during the summer, and also we see 50% fibs as the resistance, which was rejected multiple times. Now, in order to move up by 500 pips, which is expected, we of course need to break above this resistance. So this should be the nearest key level to watch or key area to watch, and there is a good chance that there will be finally a breakout. Nonetheless, there could be a rejection and we might be seeing yet another correction down, and then only then price will continue going up. So these are the scenarios that I see. Now, for the downtrend to start, we need to break below the support. Only then we might be seeing yet again a price decline towards this support area, which is near 1.1 and also corresponds with the average price downtrend trend line. So there could be this massive drop only upon the break below this support. But for now, we had this rejection yet again of the support area. Now we are at the support. So it's very important that it will hold, because if there will be yet again daily close below the moving average, then there is a potential that the price will yet again retest this level, and maybe only then will go up. So these are basically the scenarios that I would expect from this pair, but we need to watch this current support trend line and the moving average. As long as it holds, this pair will remain bullish. Okay, so enough for the pound Swiss franc. Let's go through all other previously made analysis, starting Australian versus the dollar. Long-term bullish, expecting the uptrend to continue. Nothing changes. It's going up pretty steadily since we actually published these analysis. The price was at 7040. So by now it traveled 570 pips already, and it's more or less the same distance left because the resistance is 600 pips away from the current price. Pound dollar also remains bullish. Would expect the continuation. Currently it is at the support. We can see the break above this resistance and it became the support. So we might be seeing the rejection and continuation of the uptrend. Besides, we see the channel got broken, the ascending channel, and also could be acting as the support. Pound versus the Australian dollar, expecting also an uptrend, but here we might be also seeing the consolidation. It's a similar scenario to the pound Swiss franc, where there is a long-term consolidation and we got rejected this support area. Maybe we will see yet again correction to the upside towards the moving average and this resistance area along with the downtrend trend line. The euro dollar trend is bullish. We can see the daily close was above the resistance at 161.8 pips. So this confirming further bullish intention of the euro versus dollar. But this could be tricky because upon these confirmations, usually there is a correction. While the trend is confirmed, maybe it will correct now. So careful. Trend bullish. As I said, nothing changed, but there could be downside move prior to the continuation of the uptrend. Canadian Swiss franc, expecting the consolidation. Price could be retesting this support, maybe spiking lower, so it's important to see that it holds. But for now, it seems like this is a double top, so careful with the Canadian Japanese yen. Buying at the moment, I think it might be consolidating for the time being before and if uptrend continues. Canadian Swiss franc, we see that today price kind of approached the downtrend trend line, almost rejected it, and if we go on the daily chart, it basically rejected it. So it tested the moving averages. They both got rejected yet again. Don't forget, we have a golden cross here, which means that this could be a change of the big trend. So long-term trend becoming bullish, because this is a daily time frame and we had these multiple confirmations that price is likely to go up by approximately 250 pips, maybe more, because this is the key resistance form previously. Maybe we will go towards this resistance as well, which is at 0.7250, and from the current price what we see is that could be 340 pips. Moving on to the Australian New Zealand dollar uptrend, a continuation is expected. Price is still remains within the ascending channel, as you can see. At some point I would expect break below the channel and only then continuation of the uptrend, but it's steadily rising, so looking pretty bullish. Still, we might be seeing quite a good rally up until the end of the month, and price could be heading non-stop to this resistance at 1.0885. Next is the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Also remains bearish. At the moment, this is only a correction that is expected towards the uptrend trend line and the downtrend trend line, which should be acting as the support along with the Fibonacci support level and the exponential moving average of 200 periods. So this is the key support, still expecting the decline slowly but steadily. Australian Swiss franc, well, this is exactly what I expected yesterday. Correction down towards this support area, which occurred today. And from this point onwards, I think this is the time for an uptrend, because we already had this correction. So now it should be going up towards the resistance at 0.7, extremely strong psychological resistance. So this will be the area where the bears will start stepping in. And it seems like a very decent opportunity in terms of the risk reward, because we have the potential of 260 pips approximately, with a downside risk not that high, because we need only to hold this low. Next is the Euro Swiss franc. Also, we expected the correction down prior to the uptrend. This is exactly what happened. We had this correction. Now this could have been a perfect buying opportunity and still remains a valid bullish analysis. I do expect this massive uptrend to begin from today actually, because if we're gonna go lower, then it will just extend the consolidation. But for now, I do think this will be a big bullish candle even today. I think it will continue, and throughout next week we will see big growth. So the same for the pound Swiss franc, because we just looked at the multiple Swiss franc pairs where they do suggest Swiss franc weakness along with the pound Swiss franc. So these are the analysis for today. I do guys Hope that you find it beneficial, that it will help you in your trading. If you enjoyed the information provided, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel, because we do the videos every single day. Thank you all, and I wish you profits. We'll see you back very, very soon.